In front of me is Honor 400, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon at the top left corner. Then select those three dots at the top right one and select Settings over here. When you're ready, select Themes and either click on one of those under Gallery and Use to apply it, or select Customize on the right. Hit Start under Design a New Theme and tap on Add Image right away. Then click on the photo you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and when you finished, adjust background darkness thanks to this slider at the bottom. Then hit Done at the top right corner. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher, and when you're ready, hit Save at the bottom right corner again. So when I do that, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!